Hello, my dear friends. Hetero Pharma is currently looking for following candidates. So, freshers candidates of MSc Chemistry, BSc, BCom, BA, ITA, Fitter, Diploma Mechanical candidates. This is a walk-in interview on 27th of this month from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Note: age below 26 years are eligible. So, the departments are QC or QA, MSc Chemistry, Organic or Analytical, Inorganic or Organic, Integrated or Industrial or Instrumental. Freshers. So for the roles trainee, junior chemist or junior technician under the departments QA, QC, production and maintenance. My dear friends, the venue is Maharaja's College, which is near Clock Tower, Vizianagaram. So these interviews are going to be held at Vizianagaram. That is here you can see in Maharaja College. So if you're interested, you can attend these walk-in interviews along with your updated resume and also respected photocopies of your educational documents. And guys, do prepare a good resume of yourself, because try to inculcate all those things which are relevant to this job, because a crafted resume for a specific walk-in is very important nowadays. So please utilize the opportunity, and for job updates like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in.